Alright, you guys. This is my Brazilian breakfast. Okay. Yum, I'm so excited to eat. So I got a tapioca. I tried one of these before at the, where did I try it? At the Feira de Gloria markets. I had one filled with steak. This one is tapioca. So they just fry tapioca and they put whatever you want in the middle. I just got cheese, which is more common for breakfast. I wonder if you're supposed to cut this. I think you can cut it. Yeah. And then you eat it with your hands. So I got tapioca filled with cheese. Let's try it. Scrambled eggs in Brazil are always so good. Hot cassava cake. This is cake made from cassava and coconut. I'm so excited to try that. And then this is just coffee with milk. This is like pretty typical Brazilian breakfast. Really simple. And actually really simply delicious. Like, it's simple food, but it's really tasty. Just kind of the best. And all this together cost me $8 US. You guys, I'm finishing off my breakfast with a papaya, or mamão, is how you say it in Portuguese, and a Brazilian drip coffee. This is the most popular way that people drink coffee in Brazil.
Caipira.
Yeah. US. Yeah. It is so beautiful here. I have my tapioca, basically quesadilla. Let's try it. So good. I don't even know what they're really called. Biscuits of Bolivo. I don't even know what these are called, to be honest. But I know they're very delicious. Whoa! And it keeps going and it keeps going. The food just never ends. Look at the line, you guys, for this Nigerian spot. This is the line just for the Nigerian food.
Bom dia! Vem falar com o Joe! Ei, boa! Você vai Geraldo? Isso! Já estamos na Inglaterra, hein, pai? Tá ouvindo? Vamos lá, vamos lá. Ela já foi lá. Oi! Oi, oi! Eu quero que você pare. Aí eu peguei
Feijoada. $7. Obrigada.
A diferença é que a gente para no próximo.
Olá. Feijoada, yeah?
Algumas carnes se desfezem. Vai querer?
Okay, I'm in Gloria, Brazil. Oh my gosh. I'm at a food festival. And okay, when I tell you the food goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles, you guys, there are probably over 200 different food stalls here. It's amazing. So I'm gonna try to I'm going to try as much food as I possibly can, because there's just no way that I could even touch the surface here with all this freaking food. But the first thing I got was matcha. You guys probably know there's a brand that makes matcha in the US. It's called Yerba Mate. But it's a South American thing. So if you want to get the best matcha in the world, you come to South America and you get your matcha. Anyways, I stopped by this girl who makes her own homemade matcha, and I got the soursop flavor. Delicious. By the way, it's one of the healthiest things you could drink if you don't put sugar in it. So don't get it with sugar. That doesn't have sugar in it. It's so refreshing, and it's caffeinated, so it's good for energy. So the first thing I tried today, I hope you guys can hear me. There's like a band going on in the background. I need to put my sunglasses on. First thing I'm trying is feijoada. Can you guys believe that this is my first time trying feijoada? Feijoada is the national dish of Brazil. What? And I've been here for over almost 2 weeks, and I have yet to try feijoada. It looks delicious. You always want to make sure you're getting it from a Brazilian mom, a Brazilian myself. It looks like it's some rice with some beans, with some pork, and there's a little orange slice. I think you're supposed to take the orange slice and do that whole deal. Boom, like this, like that, boom with it. Can you guys see? Okay, let's try the feijoada for the first time. I'm gonna get some beans, and I'm gonna get some rice. Oh, there's like cassava as well on here. There's people looking at me. Delicious, you guys. Salty. It tastes like a home cooked meal. You got your beans over here with the, actually this is chicken. Beans with chicken. Very flavorful, very delicious. And then this is crunchy, like this crunchy, I don't know. It's like cassava. And then there's a little bit of greens on the side. Oh my gosh, this tastes like you went to somebody's mom's house and they cooked for you. Delicious.